What's up, y'all? So I was one of the lucky people to end up on the PR list for RevAir. So we're going to be taking a deep dive into this new gadget right here. Apparently, it's the world's only and first reverse air dryer. Okay, so before we get started, I do want to apologize. I don't know what happened to the audio in this video, so it's going to be a voiceover. That's not going to stop me from showing you guys my new toy, but I do want to take it out the box. This is exactly how it looks. I have an unboxing video, so let me know if you guys want to see how I actually put this bad boy together. It wasn't easy. It pretty much came together. You just had to install the pieces, but this is how it looks so far, and I'm going to continue to take out what else I got from RevAir. They also sent me a wide tooth comb. Look at that. It's all branded, and also these crocodile clips, which is my first time using. They also sent me a hair towel. Look how pretty that is, and it even has a button if you want to put it on the front or the back of your hair so it's sturdy. And of course, they sent the RevAir water bottle as well. I got a ton of directions in my package, but it was pretty easy to set up, like I said, and I am going to read through the directions because this is my actual first RevAir dryer. So I learned about the settings that you can put on the actual RevAir. On the wand portion that I'm holding in my hand, you can control the heat to high or low, or you can have it in the middle, which means it's off and it comes out as cool. And then on the base of the machine, you can control the tension. It goes from 1 to 7. So the higher the tension, the harder it's going to pull or suck on your hair. But honestly, I had it on the highest setting and it didn't hurt whatsoever. So let's go ahead and get started. Very first thing I'm going to do is part my hair with the RevAir crocodile clips. So we're going to start on this side, and I'm just going to take a small section in the back. I don't know, I think that looks good. Just to like, all right, let me take another clamp right in there. I like these clamps. They feel very secure and stable. I've never had, these are called, I believe, crocodile clamps. I've never had them, or alligator clamps. Some type of reptile, okay? Well, yeah, they feel very secure. I like them. All right, let's go ahead and plug her in, y'all. Let's plug it in. It comes like this. We gotta take this piece off. There's an on-off button right here, so I'm just gonna turn it on. Okay, nothing happened. Oh, but something's blinking. Okay. So let me... Alright guys, I don't think you'll be able to hear me once I turn it on. What level do I put it on? Oh snap, we're gonna have to figure all this out. Okay, so let me go ahead and turn it on and we're just gonna get started. Let me see how long it actually takes me to get this straight. Oh child, I don't know why I'm so nervous. Anytime I'm doing something new, I get so nervous. Alright, let's go. Yes, I was indeed nervous. I went ahead and started it on 5 because I didn't know how much I should put it on. Again, it goes from 1 to 7, and this is the tension, how hard it's gonna pull. Then I quickly discovered that there was another setting button, and that controls the heat. If you want it on high, low, or in the middle, means that you can have it off. And y'all, it did not take long for me to start to see results. If you think of the RevAir dryer, you can think of it like a vacuum. The part that has like the little suction part on it, it is literally like a vacuum. It is pulling the water from your hair and the moisture, and it's making it become straight and dry, which I think is so cool. And they are absolutely right. There is nothing like this out on the market. That's why their price point is what it is. However, the quality that you are going to get from this machine is absolutely amazing, and I love that it did not take long at all. So there again, I am just playing around with the settings. Again, this is my first time using it, but I quickly went to 7 because I just wanted it to happen quickly. Like, I didn't want to have to wait for anything, and I knew that the tension didn't have anything to do with the heat setting, so I can put it on as high as I want to. And I just feel as though the higher the setting, the quicker it will suck the hair dry. So that's why I had it on the highest setting, but it definitely had a little bit of a snug to it, a little pull, a little bit of suction, I should say. So funny story about how I actually got on the RevAir PR list and how FedEx actually lost my package. So I applied to work with RevAir probably like a 1.5 or 2 years ago when they had their original reverse air dryer out. Unfortunately, I was just getting started in the hair industry. I didn't have a large following or a large views or audience, I should say. So I was declined to get on the PR list about 2 years ago. But fast forward to today, I continued to work in the natural hair industry and continue to promote myself. And I reapplied to be on the PR list for RevAir. And yay, they accepted me this time around. So I did wind up getting a RevAir sent to me in the mail. However, FedEx wanted to play around and lose my package, y'all. My RevAir was supposed to be delivered on like the beginning of August, and I kept calling FedEx because I didn't know where it was, and it was not delivered, even though they said that it was delivered. They actually wind up leaving like a door tag on my door, and I forget what it said because this was like a month ago, but I had to like prove to FedEx that my package was not delivered. I was almost in tears, y'all, because this is a $500 package. Like, how do you lose that, you know? So I'm going back and forth with FedEx, and I finally had to tell RevAir what happened. I was so afraid because, like, again, who loses a $500 package? And now I'm embarrassed because I have to go back to the brand and tell them that my package is lost. So of course I go back to RevAir. I tell them what FedEx told me, that they cannot locate the package, and RevAir is so cool about it. They're like, it's okay, these things happen often, we just want to make sure you're okay. Like, they were just being so genuine, and FedEx didn't care, y'all. FedEx did not care. Like, RevAir cared. So RevAir wind up opening a claim with FedEx. RevAir also sent me a replacement dryer, which I was really happy about because I thought that this was just going to be the end. Like, okay, well, you know, you're SOL, they lost your package, sorry. But no, RevAir sent me a brand new dryer. And then fast forward like 3 weeks later, my original RevAir came in the mail that FedEx lost. So I wind up just selling that one to a close girlfriend of mine at a discounted rate, and it sold within like 10 minutes after I put it up on my IG story. So sorry if you guys didn't even get a chance to like ask me about it or pricing or anything, but I did have 2 RevAirs at one time. I wound up selling one, and then the second one that RevAir sent me, I just kept that one. So yeah, I am so happy with my results. As you guys can see, it didn't take long whatsoever. So again, thank you guys for tuning into this video, and if you want to see more RevAir stuff, head over to TikTok.